Have you ever used the new window feature within Excel? Do you understand its meaning, not only within Excel context, but also in your life? After watching this short video, you will be able to use new window feature within Excel, but most importantly, you will gain much deeper understanding about your life, change how you view your life, and change how you live your life for better. Let's dive in. This is one Excel workbook called Excel New Window Feature. It comprises many worksheets. Some worksheets may have data, may have pivot table, or charts, or formulas, or pictures, and many other things. In a normal condition, you're at one place at one time. For example, now I'm at the scan worksheet. I can view all those sales records for the can product family. And if I move to the finger food worksheet, I can only view those sales records for the finger food product family. And I cannot view those data from the canned product family. I'm at one worksheet at one time. If I'm here, I'm not there. If I'm there, I'm not here. What if you wish to compare the sales records between the canned worksheet and finger food worksheet? You wish to have both worksheets to be visible on this one screen at the same time. And this is doable within Excel. You just need to go to the View tab. In the Window group, you'll click on New Window. And this opens a new window of this Excel file called Excel New Window Feature. You'll notice after the file name, it has a -2. This is because this is the second window of this Excel file. Now, if I move my cursor to the taskbar at the bottom, hover over this Excel application icon, you will see the two thumbnails of the two windows. If I click on the first one, now I have arrived at the first window of this Excel file, and you notice on top over here, after the file name, it has a -1, meaning this is the first window of this Excel file. You can switch back and forth between the two windows by using the taskbar at the bottom, or you can go to the View tab in the Window group again, click on Switch Window. That will allow you to see all the windows you have opened, so I can switch back and forth between first window or second window. At this time, we're viewing only one window at one time. If we wish to view both windows on the same screen at the same time, we just need to go to the View tab. In the Window group, click on this command, which is View Side by Side. And then now we have the two windows laid out vertically side by side. In the first window, I could be in the canned worksheet. And in the second window, I could be in a different worksheet. For example, in the finger food worksheet. At this time, if I scroll up or down, you will notice both windows are moving in the same pace. And if I scroll left or right, both windows are also moving left and right. This makes it very convenient for us to compare the two different worksheets, row by row, column by column. The reason that's synchronized is because in the View tab in the Window group, on the View Side by Side, we'll have this command called Synchronous Scrolling, which is on. If I click on that, now that will be off. If I click on this window and I scroll up or down, only this active window will move. I can also change the layout of the different windows by going to the View tab, the Window group, click on Arrange All. Now we're in this vertical layout, and this can be changed into tiled, horizontal, cascade. For now, I'm going to turn off the View Side by Side, and I'm going to open a few new windows. View tab, New Window, View tab, New Window, View tab, New Window. So now I have 5 windows of the same Excel file open. And for the first window, I would like to leave my cursor in the tab called Shapes. For the second window, I'm going to leave my cursor in the tab called Pivot Table. For the third window, I'm going to leave my cursor in the tab called Charts. In the fourth window, I'm going to leave my cursor in the tab called Images. In the fifth window, I'm going to leave my cursor in the tab called Sales. And if you like, you can open infinite number of windows as long as your computer memory allows. Now you understand the new window feature in the context of Excel. How does this relate to your life? Pay attention. This will be the most important part. When you understand this, you will understand your life. You will view your life differently. You will live your life differently. And you will live a more joyful and a meaningful life. Here, each window is actually a person, a human being. Let's say this window is you. In this window, the active worksheet is cells. As you can see, there are many different worksheets in this workbook. You are not this one worksheet. You are the entire workbook. At this time, you are only conscious of this one worksheet called cells, because this is the one being active at this time. But if you are willing to explore your subconscious, you will see all the other inactive worksheets. So on a conscious level, you call yourself cells. That's your label, that's your name. Whatever happens in this cells worksheet, that's your life. They could be interesting, they could be dull. There could be lots of ups and downs. Your life is full of contents and stories. In this one worksheet, there are around 1 million rows and 60,000 columns. Lots of data are stored here. There could be relationships between you and other people. Remember, here each window is one human being. There could be formulas in this window linking this active worksheet to the active worksheet of another window. For example, I could do XLOOKUP formula over here linking this data in the cells worksheet to the active worksheet of another window. When I teach the new window feature in my Excel classes, one question I got often is this: when we make a change in one window, does that change in the other window? To answer this question, I need to remind you what the new window really is. Each new window is just a new interface. You are interacting with this one and only object, which is this Excel workbook. Think about a fish tank. Besides the bottom and top two sides, there are also 4 vertical sides. You can view the fish tank from this side, you can view from that side, this side, or this side. But each side is just one window. You are interacting with this one and only fish tank. When you make a change in the fish tank from one window, that change can be observed from any other window, though it may look slightly different because they're observing from different angles. So within Excel window, if you make a change, the change happens to this one and only. All the other windows are just interacting with the one and only from different perspective. And our human life is very much similar to the Excel windows. Here, each window is one individual person. For example, this window is you. In this window, you are only conscious of this one worksheet called cells. But you are not just this one worksheet. You are not this window. You are this entire workbook, including all the other inactive worksheets. So all those individual windows, they are all the same. You are me, and I am you. You are everyone, and everyone is you. Each individual person is just an interface to view the one and only true essence. When I harm you, I harm myself. When I love you, I love myself. You are just different aspect of me, and I am just different aspect of you. We're all different aspects of the one true essence, the consciousness. When you look outward, you see many other windows, but they do not truly exist as separate entities. They are just different aspects of you. For example, in this window, this relationship we had with another window, as we did 4 minutes before, is actually the relationship with a lot of worksheets within the same workbook, which is this customer worksheet. That's why there's no one outside of you, there's only you, different aspects of you. If you see any problem outside in other windows, that means you have these problems within you. If you are willing to look inward, to explore your subconscious, to eradicate all those problems within you, then you will not see those problems outside in any other windows either. Now, if I close this window, is this workbook called Excel New Window Feature closed? No, this workbook is still here. We're just shutting down one of the windows to view this workbook. Now, as human, if you die, do you cease to exist? No. You, the true essence of you, is still here. Your body is just this window, to be used as an interface to view your essence. You are just shutting down this window, this interface, to view your essence. When you look outward, seeing all those different windows, you see everyone is separated. If you look inward towards your heart, you realize you are connected to everyone. You are everyone. All those active worksheets from other windows are just those inactive worksheets of you. Inside you, you contain the whole universe. If you want to experience love, love others, you are the recipient of the love. If you want to experience harmony, be peaceful with every aspect of yourself, you will be in harmony with everyone else. If you find this video valuable, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends on social media to spread the words. I will create more Excel videos to help you to understand your life. Thank you.